Hello everyone, my name is Kyle Koslow and I will be talking about IBM as a company, some of its history, and where it's going in the future. IBM stands for International Business Machines, and that's exactly what they produce. They're headquartered in Endicott, New York. They employ 388,000 people in 177 countries on 6 continents around the world. The IBM brand itself is valued at $75.5 billion. They mainly create specialized hardware and software for various industries. They also have consumer products as well. They're nicknamed Big Blue, partly because their company's Big Blue logo, but also because of a previous company-wide dress code of white shirts and blue suits. The company was founded in 1911 by Charles Flint as the Computing, Telecommuting, Recording Company. It began producing everything from time clocks and industrial scales to meat and cheese slicers. In 1924, it was renamed the International Business Machines by Thomas Watson. Watson determined the hyphenated name was to be too cumbersome. At the time, IBM sold tabulation machines to the government for large government programs, such as to maintain employment records for the Social Security Act. They also helped during the space race. They helped NASA track orbital flights for the Mercury, Gemini, and Saturn lunar missions using some of the first computers. In 1981, they introduced the first PC to the consumer market. The main driving force behind IBM is Thomas Watson. He began his career in business as a salesman. At one point, he sold sewing machines door to door. He eventually rose to general manager of a company that manufactured cash registers. At one point, he was found guilty of deceptive sales tactics after it was discovered he was purposely selling defective registers to turn around and sell working registers to that same customer. He ended up serving a year in prison. After that, he was recruited to work for the Computing, Tabulating, Recording Company. He became the general manager in 1914. His personal mantra was think, encouraging every employee to think of new ideas because he believed thoughts were at the center of innovation. He managed to double IBM's revenues in 4 years and expand operation to Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia, and South America. He is responsible for making IBM the multinational corporation it is today. IBM is responsible for countless technologies and innovations. They hold the current record for the most consecutive years, creating the most patents at 24 in a row. They are responsible for innovations such as the ATM, the personal computer, the magnetic card strip on your credit card, UPC labels, the technology used in LASIK eye surgery, and their latest innovation is Watson, a computer learning device that has pioneered artificial intelligence using machine learning. In addition to some of their breakthroughs, their main revenue streams come from business technology and services such as cloud computing, cognitive computing, data and analytics, Internet of Things devices, infrastructure, and security. Moving forward, IBM continues to innovate in areas it sees a growth, such as cloud services, machine learning, supercomputing, weather prediction, medical research, and data encryption.